Good morning, class plus 2 students. Today we will solve the problems of the chapter application of integral. So, question first is find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square over 16 plus y square over 9 equal to 1. So, because we know that the equation of the ellipse is the equation of ellipse can be written as in the form of x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1. So here on comparing it with the given equation a square equal to 16, which implies a equal to plus minus 4, and b square equal to 9, which implies b equal to plus minus 3. So we can draw the ellipse from by using these points here on the x-axis and y-axis. Here x-axis and y-axis, x dash and y dash. Here O is the origin of the both axes. So here putting the value of a equal to 4, and here y will be 0, and here x equal to minus 4 and y 0, x 4 and 0, y 0, because on x-axis y value is always 0, and on the y-axis x value of x-axis is always on 0. So here by using these points again b equal to 3, by using here x 0 and y, we can write these points here 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0, and from b 0 comma 3 and 0 comma minus 3, because the ellipse is symmetrically about both the axes. So we can put here value 1 by 1. If y is equal to 0, then we can find the value here x equal to plus minus 3, and when x equal to 0, then y equal to plus minus 4. So here 3 and 4 we can find the value. Now we can draw the here ellipse, the point using these points. Let us suppose here 0 comma 3 and 0 comma minus 3. So because ellipse is symmetrically about both the axes, we can find the area of the ellipse in a first quadrant. And how we can find the area of the complete ellipse? By using the direct method by multiplying here by 4. So we will find the area in first quadrant, means y dx. First quadrant always area can be calculated as integration of a to b y dx. So here the limits starting from origin 0 0, and by using dx means we have to integrate with respect to x by using the limits x. So here x 0, and from here x 4, by using the limits 0 to 4 y dx. So area equal to required area equal to 4 times the area of first quadrant 0 to 4, 0 to 4 in a first quadrant by dx. So here we will find the value of y here from the given equation x square over 16 plus y square over 9 equal to 1, y square over 9 equal to 1 minus x square over 16. So y equal to 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square. So y is equal to 3 by 4, 16 minus x square. So putting the value of the y here, so that we can find the area. Area equal to 4 times limits 0 to 4, putting the value of y 3 by 4 into 16 minus x square square root dx, and here constant 3 by 4 taking outside, cancelling with 4 to 4 each other. So here this is the identity, square root a square minus x square. 16 can be written as 4 square. So a square minus a square, by using the identity of 0 to a integration a square minus x square dx equal to x into same under root by 2 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x over a plus c. So using here, this is our a square minus x square. By using this identity, 0 to 4 x into same under root, by simplification we get 16 minus x square over 2 plus a square, a is 4 by 2 into sine inverse x over a means 4. So here close the limits here starting from 0 to 4. Now putting the value, first upper limit where x, putting the value of x equal to 4, first upper limit, then minus lower limit. By simplification here, by when we putting the value of x equal to 4, 4 minus 4 16, 16 minus 16 0, this will whole part 0, and here 16 by 2, here we have the remaining factor is 3 and 3 here 3, and 16 by 2 8 into sine 4 over 4 minus lower limit 0, when we put here x 0 into something we get 0, and here x 0 0 by 4 0, so whole part will be 0. So this will be equal to 3 into 8 into sine inverse 4 by 4 1, cancel, after cancelling sine inverse 1 equal to pi by 2 248 and 12 pi square unit. This is our required area of the ellipse. Thank you.